Everyone, this is David Pike, the MotorCity mechanic. Now in today's video, I want to show you something pretty quick, and it has to do with the sun visors on these Jeep Wranglers, how they will not stay attached to the overhead. There's actually something you can buy on Amazon that's really cheap that can actually fix this problem really quick. So make sure to watch. Now here's the problem that we're trying to remedy. Typically, when you're done with your sun visor, you pull it up here towards the overhead header area and you snap it in to this little plastic hook mechanism. Well, as you can see, it doesn't want to stay in there. And if you look closer, I want to show you what's wrong with that. If you look right here, you see this chrome rod. Well, you should be able to see that. It should be covered up by this black piece. That chrome rod alone is too thin to snap into that little locking mechanism on that header panel. If the rubber was still intact, it would be. So what has happened over time, it's gotten dry, deteriorated, and started falling apart, and this is all we've got left. Now usually the only repair for this would be replace the entire sun visor assembly, but luckily you can go on Amazon and for less than $10 you can get 2 pieces of black plastic tubing and some lubricant, which usually you don't have to use. You can actually fix this yourself. Now it's only, that chrome rod is only probably about a 1/16 of an inch longer on both sides. It doesn't go all the way through. I want to show you how you can remove that. So we're going to leave the sun visor still attached to the Jeep. And with one hand, I'm going to firmly grasp it. The second one, I'm going to try to flex this side. And when I do, it should give me enough room to get that little pin out. Just take your time. And there you go. Now we can take the old rubber piece off, throw it away, and get our replacement and slide it on. We're going to repeat the same thing. As you can see, it only goes a little bit, it doesn't go all the way through. So we'll line it up on one side, make sure it's in there, and now we'll try to flex out on the outer portion. There we go. We've now got it installed. Now when we swing it around, line it up, push it up, it now stays locked in place. And there you have it. For less than $10 and 10 minutes of your time, you can fix both your sun visors instead of having to replace them. I want to give you a link to that product that's going to be below this video. Now, if you like what you saw today, please give it a big thumbs up on YouTube. Don't forget you can find me on Facebook and Instagram. If you got any comments or suggestions about anything you saw in today's video, or maybe an idea for a future video, leave a comment down below. Also, if you shop on Amazon, which everybody does, immediately at the bottom of this video, in the description, is going to be a link. Click on that, make that your Amazon homepage, and anytime you buy anything, whether it's that kit for that sun visor or anything whatsoever, whatever you buy will be helping to support this channel. Once again, everybody, thanks for watching.